up YouTube? My name is Don Alabi and this is Ghanaian photography. Today we are shooting at a beach in Accra. We have our model for today being Alema 2. So we are looking at creating some awesome images. I'll be spreading them across the video as we move on. So just let me know in the comment section which of them is your favorite. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't get to miss any of my future uploads. This photo shoot started with me doing what I usually do on location, cleaning of the surrounding before I start my shoot. I try as much as possible to get the surrounding to be as close to what I want in the final image as possible. First of all, everything went wrong with this shoot from the beginning. We planned getting there at 10 o'clock so we could start the shoot latest 10:20, 10:30, but we got there somewhere around midday. And the sun was directly overhead and it was a very sunny day. I never anticipated to have a very sunny day like that. I was expecting some overcast day, but then that was the situation we met. And it was a bit difficult for me because I'm not used to shooting in direct sunlight like this. So it took me a while to get my settings. I had to struggle a bit. Yeah. We tried a couple of poses, a lot of them, just so I could try and see if we could get some nice pictures, even under the unfavorable condition. Suggest I go down there and shoot her from below. I obliged. But the sun was very hot, so I had to run and go hide on those leaves for her to pose. Then I rush, go shoot, and then get back. I tried as much as possible to find the right light. tried a couple of ideas here, but I didn't like the outcome, so we didn't get any usable image from here. I'll go back there another time and then try it again. With the second outfit, I tried something on the canoe. The fishermen were nice enough and allowed us to abuse their canoe in a nice way.
Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's shoot. It's been very sunny today. Actually, I didn't expect it to be this sunny, but this is the condition we met. So we were able to create some awesome images. Let me still know in the comments which of the images are your best, or if there's one single best in, just state it down there. Thanks once again to our model of the day, Alima. Hey.